Remember when the library was where you went to get answers? You walked in with a question. You opened the card catalog. You searched by subject. You wrote down a few numbers. Then you went shelf to shelf, pulled books, sat down, and flipped pages, hoping to find the right answer. Sometimes you found it. Sometimes it took hours. Now think about AI like this. You write your question on a note card and hand it to a very smart librarian. That librarian has studied a huge amount of information. In seconds, the librarian gathers the most helpful books, opens them to the right pages, and brings the key ideas together for you in plain language. That note card is important. If it only says, "Tell me about tomatoes," the answer may stay broad. But if it says, "I grow tomatoes in pots on a sunny porch, and the leaves are turning yellow, what should I do?" the answer gets much better. That note card is what we call a prompt. A prompt is simply what you type into AI. Better prompts lead to better answers. AI is powerful because it can help you learn faster, compare ideas, and get started quickly. But AI is not magic, and it is not perfect. For important things like money, health, or legal questions, always check the facts. Think of AI as a fast research helper. You still bring the question, and your judgment still matters.